welcome back to Kizer channel. Today's topic is 5th pocket knife. As we all know, sub 3-inch pocket knife is more socially acceptable and less threatening. So if you are looking to buy a 5th pocket knife from Kizer, I have some really great option for you. And please stick around till the end of the video. I have a secret knife for you. The first one is Mini Bay. Talk about the 5th pocket knife. The first one pop into my mind is the Mini Bay. Mini Bay is a cute little critter and has Baymax theme. Is available in 2 colorways. The blade steel is a certified VN and it's a slip joint knife, so it would be less threatening if you bring it to your office. It's stone washed. And other specification is the same. The second one is the Lieb. This is a brand new edition of 2021. It also uses N690 blade steel and black G10 handle. I like this color combination because it was way more cooler than the previous one. And it's more powerful than the Mini Bay. The one-cleave blade shape is super functional and useful for your daily uses. It also equipped it with a deep carry pocket clip. The third one is the Yoki. My previous video doesn't include the Mikata Yoki, and if you are interested, you can see my previous video about titanium and copper fiber Yoki. So this new Yoki has N390 blade steel. And a low-profile pocket clip. Mikata has been many people's all-time favorite handle material. It feels really comfortable when you're holding it. The last one is the Mini Sheepdog. Mini Sheepdog is a highly requested pocket knife, and what makes this Mini Sheepdog even better is that we delete the flipper and give it a thumb hole, so weight reduce and no more flipper get in the way while you chop things. And some friends would love to see Mini Sheepdog with both flipper and thumb hole. And what do you think? I would love to see your comments down below. So here is the surprise. I'm so thrilled to introduce this titanium sheepdog brother to you. This is a prototype though, but it's expected to be available in 4 months. It adds some hole, fuller, and a full-size finger trial on it. The whole knife looks stylish. And the action is so crispy. What do you think of this knife? I'm eager to know your idea in the comment section. And thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. I will catch you in my next video. Bye bye.